I think the misconception is people think that when they're in the exam and if they're prepared, they shouldn't stumble upon any question that's difficult. They should just kind of be able to answer every question either easily or with some thinking. However, the normal feeling in the exam is to find 50 questions that you're just clueless about. That is normal. I know students that had, questions, maybe 50 or 60 questions that were just new to them and still got 90s. So, and they're part of our students too. A few of our students did that. And so it's normal to come out from the exam. If you're very hard on yourself, you're going to be like, oh, I messed up 50 questions. I think I'm going to fail, but you're actually doing very well. Some people that think they did really well actually don't. So it's normal to find new questions in the exam. And the important thing is to learn how to manage that stress. When you see a new question, what to do. And we help students in our course to practice that and figure out a strategy to manage your stress and to also manage your time in the exam.